Hello and welcome to another video about AI. Today, we're talking about 5 jobs that are going to be replaced by AI in the nearest future. Keep watching till the end of this video to know more about adoption of AI technologies and the impact they have on the job market. Starting with the first job, which is data entry clerks, AI technologies, such as machine learning algorithms and natural language processing, can be used to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This could potentially lead to the automation of data entry tasks. Moving on to the next job, which is customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are increasingly being used to handle customer inquiries and provide basic customer support. This could potentially lead to the automation of customer service jobs. Another job, which is at risk of being replaced by AI, is manufacturing and assembly line workers. AI-powered robots and automation systems are increasingly being used in manufacturing and assembly line work, which could potentially lead to the automation of these jobs. Another job is retail sales associates. AI technologies such as virtual personal shopping assistants and automated checkout systems are being developed and deployed in retail settings. This could potentially lead to the automation of retail sales jobs. Driving and delivery jobs are also at risk of being replaced by AI. Autonomous vehicles, which are being developed and tested by a number of companies and organizations, have the potential to automate driving and delivery jobs in the future. It is important to note that while AI and automation may lead to some job displacement in the near future, they are also likely to create new job opportunities in the fields, such as data science, AI development and deployment, and technical support for AI systems. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Subscribe for more interesting videos about AI.